Hello again, friends. Welcome to another unboxing. Hope everyone is doing great out there. I'm checking out this bicycle slash scooter lock here. So it's pretty sweet. It's got this heavy duty chain in between. You got also about 2 feet of travel here. This nice coating on the chain helped it for weather resistance, and also if you wrap it around your scooter, it's not going to scratch it up. These come nice and easy just to latch on around your bike frame or the scooter frame. It has this rubber coating on there also, so it's not going to damage it. This is corrosive resistant, drill resistant, all kinds of stuff. And to unlock this or lock it, only just stick that on there, turn the key right here, has a little lock thing, and switch it to lock, and that's not coming off of there. And then if you want to unlock it, this comes with 3 keys also, so that's pretty cool. Just in case you lose a couple, you got some for backup. That's, yeah, this seems super heavy duty. Obviously, you're not gonna, if someone's super intent on stealing your bike or whatever, nothing's going to stop them. But this is gonna deter most people from trying to get these. Should be super easy to secure your bike or scooter. I'm actually going to go test this out real quick and see how well this works. So I like the versatility of this lock here. I can just lock it right here if I want. And then if I have a fence or anything like that, you can just stick it on there. It's going to keep that nice and secure. And then when I want to unlock it, just simply unlock it there. That pulls out, and we're ready to go. And there we are. Okay, I got my little scooter here, and you can just pull it to wherever you want, a little bike rack or something like that, or a pole, basketball pole, wherever you're doing with your scooter, maybe a tree or something. Grab out your little bike lock, just latch it on. If the object is larger than the little latching portion, you can wrap the chain around it and then lock the latching portion onto the chain, so that'll give you more of an area to grab onto and hook onto. Once you snap those into place, you have to take your little key out and then switch it to the lock position. This will ensure that it is locked correctly. You can't just snap it on, you have to snap it on and then lock it. And then once you want to take it off, just unlock it and then they unsnap easily. So quite convenient. As you can see, this fits nicely into my little scooter pouch on there. So whether you got it for your e-bike or your scooter, this is gonna, help keep your investment secure. Thank you so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see y'all next time.